Hi there, it's Meg, and today I'm going to be showing you my super cute Suns Out, Buns Out digital cut file that's available here on my Etsy store, Meg Makes Boutique. So this is a digital download. Once you click Add to Cart, go through the checkout process, you will get a zip folder. You'll download that zip folder. If you need help finding where to download, right here you'll click Here's How under Instant Download, and Etsy will show you where that file went after you've purchased it. So once you get that zip file downloaded, you'll just extract it. And if you need help extracting a zip folder and learn more about this item, down at the bottom I have a link, and you can just copy that and follow those steps to get that file done. And in there you will see a PDF, a PNG, and an SVG file. So I'm going to be using my SVG with my Cricut today. So I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to select my SVG here. Wait for it to load. I'm going to hit save. Click it, insert the image. Then I can resize it and do what I want. This is a super duper cute SVG for summer, so it looks super great on a beach towel, on a tote bag, on a t-shirt, like a swim cover-up. So from here you could just click Make It, and you would get a cut. If you're using HTV, heat transfer vinyl, you want to hit Mirror. You always want to do that with a heat transfer. But something else that I thought would be super cute with this one, which is what I was thinking about doing when I designed it, is you can switch an SVG file to a draw file. You could draw this out with infusible ink, color it in, and then have an infusible ink image. Oh, that would be so cute with this one. Well, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting.